one which was called the perpetual lamp. It has a name in Hindi and in southern
The
language.
name is quite interesting.
It's shaped like a bowl with a small wick extension at the bottom. And then there is a story that where these lamps were initially made, the king sort of said that anybody who wants a wish to come true can light these lamps in the temple. And you can say that, okay, I light it every Friday, or I light it every Monday, or I light it for 6 months at a go, and your wishes will come true, which then people started believing. But then in order to be able to light it, that ghee was needed. Ghee was expensive, so for ghee you needed cows. So what the king started doing is that whoever made that wish for that wish lamp, he would provide them a certain number of cows. Say that they said that, okay, for 1 year we want to light this lamp. So he would give them those number of cows and say that for 1 year you have to provide so much milk to the temple, so that this much ghee can come out, which can perpetually light your lamp. वो बुझनी नहीं चाहिए. But he said that at the end of that 1 year, you have to return the same number of cows to me. If they have multiplied, if you have got any calves, then those are yours.
Those are yours.
Yeah.
Very
So
interesting.
if he gave say 10 cows, now वो उसमें suppose 1 liter दूध चाहिए, but the rest of the milk that came out, that family would use it to sell, and to it became a source of income to them. And then when they returned the cows, then they were left with the calves. So it also became, one, it was perpetual because the ghee never died out, it was constantly provided. Two, it was perpetual because that family then prospered,
Absolutely.
because through those cows, through the calves that they gave, the life for them carried on using that those cows.
So basically, the whole economy was running with the help of the lamps.
Correct, with the help of the lamps. Yes.
Very interesting
yes,
to know
yes.
that.